Erythropoiesis, the formation of red blood cells, occurs in specialized parts of the skeleton, such as the femoral epiphysis. It begins with the hematopoietic stem cell, the common precursor for all blood cells. After the initial indistinguishable stages, the process moves through the proerythroblast, basophilic, and polychromatophilic phases. At the polychromatophilic stage, hemoglobin begins to accumulate within the developing cells. Next are the orthochromatic erythroblast and reticulocyte stages. In reticulocytes, organelles like mitochondria and RNA are still visible. Finally, the reticulocyte matures into an erythrocyte and enters the bloodstream by squeezing between endothelial cells. Some reticulocytes also enter the circulation and can be detected in a CBC.